Good morning. Good morning. Thank you. Thank you, everybody that's here with me today in this morning's presentation. We're going to be going over the new under the CARES Act law that allows you and your business to be able to get some of your refunds, some of the taxes that you have already paid, already refunded back to you so you can go ahead and have some of the financial assistance, have some money in the bank for you and your business to go through this 2021. We are still receiving some more financial assistances for all of the business owners and their business so they can go ahead and have enough funds to maintain all of the operations going for their business. So if you're viewing us, good morning or good afternoon, wherever you are at here in the United States. My name is Juan Turubiartes. I am an accountant, a tax professional, payroll and bookkeeping expert, as well as a navigator for the new CARES Act and state financial assistances for businesses and individuals. This morning we're going to be going over one of the very helpful but often overlooked assistances from the SBA and the IRS. This one that I am talking about, it is a net operating loss carryback. This new law that was passed on 2020 under the CARES Act allows business owners to be able to carry back any net operating loss that they have in the current year, and those years go from 2018, 2019, and 2020. These losses can be carried back 5 years. Carrying them back 5 years allows the businesses and the business owners to receive a refund of any taxes that they paid 5 years in the past, the previous 5 years. So, what does this mean? It means that any taxes that you were obligated to pay uh, in 2016, for example, can be refunded back to you today, this very year, so you can have some funds in your bank, in your business's bank, so you can maintain the operations going, so you can maintain the doors open for all of the community and all of your clients. So, let me go over first what is this net operating loss? What does it mean? How can you go ahead and benefit from this new financial assistance? Some of these new ways that you can go ahead and have some funds today in your bank. This net operating loss, what it is whenever a company's tax deductions exceed the income within a given period of time. In other words, if you have had more expenses this year than you have income, then you are going to be experiencing a net operating loss. This means that there's no take home money for you and your business, that you have had more expenses, so you had to have no take home money. There's no money so you can go ahead and have as a gain on this year. Following 2020 and the CARES Act, what it did is it went ahead and gave you access to go ahead and carry this loss back so you can get these refunds on taxes that you have paid in the past. Previously, since 2018, in the Tax Cuts and Jobs Acts, what that act did is it went ahead and not allowed for any business to be able to carry these losses back. The only way that you can carry any loss is to carry it forward. So in the previous laws, like I said, it didn't let you carry back these losses. So any loss that you incurred during a given period of time, let's say during the current tax year, you can only carry it forward. You couldn't carry it back. So since 2020, since the CARES Act, what it did is it went ahead and overrode that ruling. So now you can carry back this law and you can get any taxes that you have paid in the past 5 years back into your bank. You can get it as a refund in a quick and easy method so you can have all of this money pretty much with the least troubles as possible. So, how you can go ahead and get this business. How is it going to help you and why is it so important? And actually, why is it so helpful for you to be able to carry back this loss to get these refunds? So, in the previous tax laws and the tax percentages, how you would be taxed before the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, there was always a higher tax rate 5 years ago. So before 2018, before the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, there was always a higher tax rate for individuals, for business owners, for corporations. Any business always had to pay a higher tax rate, meaning that anything that you had to pay before, let's say if you had a gain, if you had some net take home money for your business, there was always more taxes that you had to pay. Compare it to the tax laws after 2018, after the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. So, why is this important? It is because you can get more money that you have paid in the previous 5 years. You have actually paid more taxes before 2018 than you have paid after 2018. That is why this new law, this new act is very helpful for business owners and for the businesses themselves, because there was more taxes paid before 2018. So more of those taxes, all those taxes that you had to pay within 5 years, within the last 5 years, you can get those taxes back as a refund today, this year. So you can again have it for your business, for your operations, so you can maintain them going. That is how this new tax law is gonna go and it's gonna go ahead and help out a lot of the business owners, so you can have all these money, these taxes that you had to pay before, you can get it back as a refund. This is one of the many financial assistances that the IRS has passed, so they can go ahead and help out all of these business owners. We know that there has been a big decrease in sales, big decrease in the opportunity that you have to maintain your operations going, to have your doors open. So this is one of the ways that the IRS wants to go ahead and help out these business owners. So you and your business do not have to go ahead and close or maybe shrink on the operation, so you can maintain them going. So how can you go ahead and have this refund for your business? How can you go ahead and use this new tax law, carry these losses back 5 years, and get some of the refund that taxes that you have paid before? There is actually a form that must be filled out, and it has to be submitted to the IRS. That form is the 8050 Form 8050. It is actually an quick express form, a quick fast method that you can go ahead and request as a refund these taxes that you have paid within the last 5 years. What this is going to go ahead and do is let the IRS know how much of the loss you're going to be carrying it back, how much of the taxes that you have paid in the past have to be refunded to you because you are using this method, this new tax. So you can go ahead and file this form. If you have any questions within the form 8050, this is the one that's going to go ahead and allow you to get these taxes that you have paid before back refunded to you. I always encourage you to go ahead and consult your accountant. If you have any questions or you want to go ahead and have this form filed, I always encourage you, invite you to contact us. We have help many business owners get these refunds of taxes they have paid before back for their business bank, so they can have more funds available to maintain their operations going. We have a vast experience in helping out businesses and business owners get the most money out of the money that they invested. So always I encourage you, if you have any questions for this net operating loss, contact us. We will be happy to assist you and your business to get these taxes that you have paid before within the last 5 years back into your business. Remember, this law wasn't present 1 year ago. It has recently been inputted into the tax laws. So this is one that may be overlooked. Maybe you have not heard of it. Well, if you have any questions, I always encourage you to contact us, because we will be happy to help you and your business out. Get the most money out of the money that you have invested in your business. So thank you for being here with me this morning. My name is Juan Turubiartes. On behalf of Wyco Tax, I want to go ahead and wish you a very happy day. Have a great business day today, and we will see you next time. Any questions, you can always contact us in our easy to remember number, 956-425-9926, or send us an email so we can go ahead and assist you. Okay? Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.